If you want to buy this KRRK-parts Fuel Injection Pump 0426-0654 for the Deutz BF6M1015 engine, check out the link in the description below. Now let's get into it, because while this might look like just another mechanical component, the truth is the fuel injection pump is one of the most crucial parts of any diesel engine. Without it, nothing runs, nothing powers up, and no amount of fuel in the tank is going to make a difference. This specific pump from KRRK-parts is designed for the Deutz BF6M1015 engine, which is a powerhouse 6-cylinder diesel used in industrial equipment, construction machinery, and heavy-duty applications. When you're dealing with equipment that's expected to perform every single day under massive workloads, the details behind components like this pump become more important than ever. The job of the fuel injection pump might sound simple: it pushes fuel into the engine. But what makes it so critical is how precise it needs to be. Diesel engines depend on exact timing, perfect pressure, and consistent delivery. We're talking about fuel being injected into cylinders thousands of times every single minute, and each injection has to happen at the exact right moment. That precision is what separates a smooth, efficient engine from one that guzzles fuel, struggles with emissions, or breaks down prematurely. That's where the KRRK-parts 0426-0654 pump comes in. It's designed to match the Deutz BF6M1015 exactly. No guesswork, no universal fitting that requires extra adjustments, just direct compatibility. That alone saves a lot of headaches. If you've ever tried to work with parts that don't quite line up, you already know the frustration. This is a part you can install with confidence, knowing it was built for this engine and no other. Let's talk about durability. Engines like the BF6M1015 are often used in environments that are far from ideal. These machines work in dust, dirt, mud, rain, freezing cold, or blazing heat. They run for hours without breaks. That kind of environment is brutal on components. If a pump isn't built with high-grade materials and designed to withstand those extremes, it's going to fail quickly. And when a fuel pump fails, the whole machine is out of service. With the KRRK-parts pump, the build quality is focused on reliability, meaning fewer breakdowns and fewer interruptions. Performance is another key aspect. A good fuel injection pump like this one ensures the engine runs at its intended efficiency. That means better throttle response, more stable power delivery, and improved fuel economy. Over time, that translates to real savings. For businesses running multiple machines, efficiency in each unit stacks up to thousands of dollars saved on fuel and reduced maintenance. And then there's emissions. With stricter environmental regulations and a push toward cleaner operation, the way fuel is injected makes a huge difference. Proper atomization, precise timing, and optimized combustion lead to fewer particulates and less unburnt fuel. That's cleaner performance and longer life for the engine overall. This isn't just about compliance, it's about keeping engines healthy and running strong. There's also the long-term reliability angle. A poorly made pump can cause damage to injectors, clogging, uneven wear, and eventually much larger problems. But with a high-quality component like this, you're extending the life of the engine, reducing wear on connected systems, and avoiding costly repairs down the line. Think of it as preventative investment. The design and manufacturing process behind this pump is another thing worth highlighting. Precision machining ensures that every single piece inside is aligned and calibrated for optimal performance. It's not just about making a pump that works, it's about making one that can deliver consistent performance day after day, month after month, under punishing conditions. For those who handle their own maintenance, installation is made easier thanks to the dedicated fit for the BF6M1015. You won't need to adapt or force fit it into place. And for repair shops or fleet managers, that means quicker turnaround times and less labor cost. Again, this pump was built with compatibility in mind, and that's where it shines. Who should be looking at this pump? Anyone running equipment powered by the Deutz BF6M1015 engine. That includes heavy construction equipment, generators, agricultural machinery, and other large-scale diesel-powered machines. If uptime and performance matter to you, then the injection pump is one of the parts you can't compromise on. Think of the fuel injection pump as the heart of the diesel system.